guys, and welcome back to my channel Cheese Remedy. So today's video is all about me showing you guys how to come up with your homemade aloe vera gel right from the comfort of your kitchen. So aloe vera gel can be used for your skincare, it can be used for your hair care. It is a multiple purpose gel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to come up with your homemade aloe vera gel, 100% natural, with no chemicals, with no added preservative. And I'm also going to be showing you guys ways that you can preserve your homemade aloe vera gel to enable it to last for months. So if this sounds interesting to you, stay tuned and make sure you watch this video till the end. But before we get into this video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share this video with your family and friends, and also hit that red subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you will get notifications. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the recipe. So guys, here is our aloe vera plant. So I'm going to be using 2 large of this leaf to come up with this aloe vera gel. So you can cut 1, 2 or more depending on the quantity you are making, but I'm just going to cut off 2. So just cut it from the base. So you are going to go ahead and place your aloe vera leaves upright just like this to drain out this yellow resin, because this resin contains latex that can cause irritation to your skin. So I'm just going to place it upright this way and I'm going to leave it overnight for it to drain out all this yellowish juice, because it's very harmful to your skin and can cause irritation. So this is the next day. This is how it is, to show you that the resin is all drained off. So we are going to go ahead to wash it. Because anything that concerns your skin, you have to be very careful, because most times people do complain that they do experience irritations from using natural products. So you just have to be very careful. So here is our washed aloe vera leaves. So you are going to go ahead and cut these leaves into big sections. So you are going to go ahead and cut the edges off. So when you are done cutting off the edges of your aloe vera leaves, you are going to go ahead and peel off the skin to enable you see the sticky gel underneath. So just use your spoon, or you can as well use your knife, whichever one that is easy for you, to scoop out the gel and scoop it out inside the bowl. So guys, here is our extracted gel. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it on a high speed. So I'm going to be blending it off camera. So here is our blended aloe vera gel. So as you can see, it's very smooth. But because we are going to be using this on our skin, so I'm going to go ahead to strain out the juice to allow some greenish parts. If you can see, you will see some greenish parts. So I'm going to use my strainer to strain out the gel. So here is our aloe vera gel. You can go ahead and store it this way in a tight container. It will last for 1 week without any added preservative. You can use vitamin E oil to preserve it. You can also use few drops of lemon juice to preserve it, and you can as well use vitamin C powder. But here I'm going to be using vitamin E oil. I'm using about 2 capsules of vitamin E oil to preserve my aloe vera gel, because at least I want it to last up to 1 month or more. I love making my natural remedies in small batches since I'm not adding any chemicals to preserve it. So just go ahead and stir the mixture. So the next thing you are going to be doing is to transfer your aloe vera gel in a tight container and cover it up. You are going to store it in your refrigerator if you want it to last long. So if you want to expand the lifespan, you are going to be adding about 5 mg powder of vitamin C to your aloe vera gel. So here it is after being refrigerated for a few hours. So after being refrigerated for a few hours, this is what you will get. So your aloe vera gel is ready. So in my next video or some other time, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be using your aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel is 100% natural. There's no gelatin in it, there's no added chemical. It's 100% natural. It's good for all skin types. So guys, I believe we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your family and friends, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you will get notifications. So tried aloe vera gel before, I would love to know the preservative method you use and how long did it last for you. Please drop your comments down below because we all are here to learn. And how long did you use your aloe vera gel? So storing your aloe vera gel in the refrigerator, adding 500 mg of vitamin C powder or vitamin E oil or lemon juice will expand the lifespan of your aloe vera gel. So with this, I can as well store my aloe vera gel up to 6 months. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, share with your family and friends. Also hit that red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you will get notifications. Thank you so very much for staying this far, and bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.